Bestie, are you okay? Bestie, are you okay? Bestie, are you okay? 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 Bestie, are you okay? All right, just checking on you.
So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked. I hope you liked. I hope you liked. Rumors has it she's still saying I hope you liked. It is. That's so cringe. Thanks for watching to this point. If you have reached this point, please put some purple hearts in the comment section and tell me what part of this video you liked. Just comment the purple heart, and maybe if you liked like the moon, you put purple heart moon. And yeah, either ways, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and until next time.